All right, it's Keurig time. Welcome to the Keurig little demonstration here that I'm going to do for you guys right now. Perhaps you're not really big into coffee and you're getting into it. That was me. And I'm still not like a huge coffee drinker, but when I want a cup, I want a cup. And this, to me, is the easiest and best option. Keurig is a pretty reputable company. I'd say it's probably one of the best, if not the best, coffee manufacturer dispensary on the market today. And I'm not sure what actual model this is. I'm gonna go and actually know exactly which one it is when I go and search online. I'll leave the link in the description below, but let me just show you exactly how it works. There's really not much to it. You have this lid here, and you can fill this container part with water. Let's add a little bit more. This actually comes off, so you can easily just bring it over to the sink. Add some water like so. Slide it back into the container area. Look at that, one hand. Easy peasy. And then the lid goes back on top. Now, the thing that makes Keurig a little bit different than other coffee dispensers and why it's so easy is because you don't have to measure out any kind of actual coffee grains or beans or anything like that. You actually just have these little containers. They're called K-cups. And let's try the Dunkin' Donuts option. And what you do is you lift it up, place this inside. As you can see, I don't know if you can actually see, but there's a little, like a little prick device that will actually puncture the bottom of the cup. And when you push down on this, that's when it happens. And now, when you put the cup down and push the on button, it's going to take a little bit to actually warm up the water. But once that's ready, you have three options. You can fill up a big cup, a medium cup, or a small cup. This looks like more like a medium cup size to me, so to make sure that that does not overflow, I'm going to hit the medium option once it's heated up and ready. As you can hear, maybe not because the fan is going on in the bathroom here. Let me turn that off. But you can hear the water being heated up by the heating element inside the Keurig. And in just a couple more seconds now, it's going to be ready. It does it pretty quick. Let's see. And it's getting louder and more intense. And it's almost there. It's getting a little softer now. And you'd only have to do this one time. You know, if the device was on, it's kind of like always ready to go. So if you're in an office situation and you want the coffee to stay hot, you know, once you turn it on in the morning, it'll be a lot faster than this. But this is just the initial heating of new water being added to the unit. And it's not making any more noise, so I'm going to assume that it's ready. I thought it would flash. As you can see, I don't really do this that often. But here it is. We're going to go with the middle option. Let's try this again. So you have to do that. Now they're flashing. Going to go with the middle option. And the magic is about to happen. There you go, folks. Delicious, wonderful, hot coffee. Very simple process. No mess. And as you'll see in just a couple seconds, super easy to clean up. I mean, there's pretty much nothing to it. And as you can see, the medium setting was pretty on target. Looks like it's done doing its thing, and we can release this top part. As you can see, it punctured a hole. It's a little bit hot, so be careful if you're taking it out, and there's a hole in the bottom as well. And then you just throw this away. All done. As I said before, if you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can buy it on Amazon.com, and it'll come to your house the very next day, because Amazon is just like that. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you next time.